Welcome, team. Are you ready to push your limits and power through a boot camp workout that will fire up your body and keep your energy sky high? This is high-intensity group training at its best. No fancy equipment, just your body, sweat, and team spirit. Let's get stronger together. Let's go. First, we warm up those muscles. Follow me and keep your energy up. Warm-up routine, 30 seconds each. Jumping jacks, arm circles, forward and backward, hip openers, high knees, bodyweight squats, alternating lunges. Nice. Keep breathing. This is your foundation for a safe and effective session. Let's dive into Circuit 1. We're targeting your entire body. 3 exercises, 2 rounds, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Exercises. Burpee. Plus, jump squat. Push-ups. Standard or modified. Mountain climbers. Round 1 down. Let's hit round 2 strong. You're not alone. We're in this together. Time to fire up those legs. These moves will build strength and endurance in your lower body. Exercises. Jump lunges or reverse lunges for low impact. Squat pulses. Side-to-side skater jumps. Shake it off. You're doing amazing. Let's reset and finish the second round like champions. Let race finish strong with a core and cardio combo to tighten that midsection and burn serious calories. Exercises, plank jacks, bicycle crunches, high knees, fast as you can. 1 more round, dig deep, and let's finish what we started. This is your final push. 60 seconds of non-stop effort. Go all out. Give me your best energy right now. 20 seconds burpees, 20 seconds squat jumps. 20 seconds fast mountain climbers. Let's cool it down and stretch it out. Breathe deep. You earned this. Cool down routine, standing hamstring stretch, quad stretch, shoulder crossbody stretch, child's pose plus deep breaths. That's how we do it, team. Boot camp style, intensity, sweat, and strong results. If you loved this, smash that like, hit subscribe, and share this with your workout crew. Comment below. What was your toughest move? Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep showing up.